All right, next I have the pleasure of introducing Sean Park. He's the co-founder and CEO of EnergyX, an AI-driven, zero-energy building optimization platform that provides end-to-end energy optimization and solar integrated infrastructure through its EnergyX Zero and EnergyX systems. On the screen. Sean, come on out.
Hello, and thank you, everyone. I'm Sean Park, founder and CEO of EnergyX. This is great. I love Qatar, and I love having you guys here, and I love the opportunity to be here. Really grateful. EnergyX is a deep technology company in energy optimization for buildings. Buildings, we revolutionize. Buildings will be different in the future, and we make that happen here in Qatar. We have two technologies. These pillars, one called EnergyX Zero, the other called EnergyX Systems, signify what we do. EnergyX Zero is computational energy intelligence, including AI and software, where we provide energy efficiency optimization all the way from architectural design to operations in buildings. EnergyX Systems is the hardware part where we manufacture and engineer the building envelope, the building skins that produce solar energy and different texture and color that are nonlinear in architecture. So we have industry problems that we need to solve exactly right now. First of all, sustainability is costly. And second, sustainability forces you to have an ugly building. You want that to be a pretty, beautiful building. We solve these problems by making sure that sustainability becomes profitable and design resilient. So first technology pillar that we have, EnergyX Zero, we provide energy efficiency optimization all the way from architectural design. This is before construction. And in the design stage, we optimize efficiency all the way from insulation, efficiency of heating, ventilation, air conditioning, to lighting, PV to grid, and this all happens all the way to the operation side after construction. So the entire building from end to end is optimized fully. Now, second pillar is the hardware, where we manufacture and engineer building envelope. Now, building envelope is building skins. Anything you see outside of the building that you can ever imagine, from windows to facade to rooftop, we make them energy intelligent and produce solar energy. Now, most buildings that you can see are probably rectangular because they're very expensive to make it nonlinear or curved or round. Now, we make them completely possible, fraction of cost, by digitalizing it, 3D engineering it, and 3D printing it. And therefore, we're able to produce and manufacture 3D print building facade, rooftop, basically building skins that produce solar energy in different color and texture, and in a variety of forms, nonlinear, at a fraction of cost that produces solar energy profitability. So this goes all the way from design to construction to operations through the entire life cycle of a building. And we've done about 2,000 buildings overall, worldwide. And some of these buildings include the biggest data center, the second biggest data center, third biggest data center in Korea. Also includes the world's largest BIPV examples. Some of these buildings you can see are very beautiful in round and different form, different textures, different colors. And the world's most significant sustainable building is this building. First of all, we own the building. It's in Korea. But that's not what's important. What's important is this building is the world's first certified plus energy building. Very first to be able to produce more clean energy than it consumes. So everything you see outside of that building, they produce solar energy. It doesn't look like it, but they are. They're solar skins that produce solar energy just off of the sunlight. Inside is our AI, computational energy intelligence, that optimizes it real-time cloud-based as we speak now. So this building has 130% energy self-sufficiency rate, meaning it produces more clean energy, surplus of 30%, meaning we're actually making money off of this building rather than consuming energy on top of what we're producing. So this outcome, sustainability, energy efficiency, and profitable outcomes are repeatable, scalable. We've done that worldwide, and this is profitable worldwide, from Qatar to Saudi Arabia to France to America. We're building deep moats that others cannot compete with. They cannot follow or assemble. These technologies, the advantages we have, are not only something that the others cannot follow, but they cannot assemble this because of certain structural organized parts around it. What we do is we acquire different distributed platforms around the world and scale throughout the world. We monetize our energy performance across the building lifecycle. And therefore, our expansion is basically fueled by fixed cost leverage. Everything is verticalized, and we're leveraging on our margins. Margins are growing every year. And our roadmap to scale comes from Qatar. Thank you very much.